Welcome to Fix Your PC Like a Pro. In this video, you'll discover 7 simple steps to troubleshoot and repair your computer. No need to spend money on a technician until you've tried these yourself, and at the end of the video I will give you few maintenance tips. Let's dive in and empower you to solve common PC problems with confidence. You need to watch this if you struggle with a PC that just won't turn on, or suddenly shuts down for no reason. We've all been there. You press the power button and nothing happens. Or maybe you get a weird error, a beep, or a sudden shutdown. But before you panic or take your machine to the computer shop and spend unnecessary money, do this 7 basic checks. And you will learn that with these simple troubleshooting procedures, you could solve a surprising number of problems before calling the computer technician. First, is your PC actually plugged in? Double-check the power cable at both the wall and the back of your computer. Make sure your power strip is on and test the outlet with a lamp if you're unsure. Check your monitor's power and video cables. Loose connections are a common reason for a no-signal screen. Believe me, something so simple can make your day. Give your keyboard and mouse cables a quick push to ensure they're fully seated. If all looks good outside, unplug your PC and open the side panel. Don't worry, you're just checking a few things. The big 24-pin power connector and the smaller CPU power connector on the motherboard. Make sure they're snug. Gently press down on your RAM sticks to ensure they're locked in place. Sometimes a loose RAM stick or power cable is all it takes to stop your PC from starting. These sanity checks are quick, safe, and often all you need to get back up and running. If your PC still won't start, now it's time to dig deeper. But you've already ruled out the most common issues. Let's move on to the next step. I bet you didn't know how quickly you can fix a PC that refuses to boot. No more staring at a frozen screen in frustration. If your PC powers on but Windows won't load, you're facing a boot issue, usually a software problem. Try safe mode, power on, then force shutdown as soon as you see the Windows logo. Do this twice and Windows should load advanced startup options. Go to Troubleshoot. Advanced options. Startup settings, then restart. Choose Enable Safe Mode. In safe mode, uninstall any recent software or drivers that might be causing trouble. If you suspect a graphics driver, roll it back in Device Manager. Restart and see if the problem is fixed. Still stuck? Go back and use Startup Repair option from the Advanced Options menu to let Windows try to fix itself, or use System Restore to roll back to a previous restore point. This won't affect your personal files. These built-in tools solve most boot issues without needing a full reinstall. If none of these work, it may be time to consider hardware checks. The blue screen of death looks scary, but it's actually a helpful clue. Note the stop code. Searching it online often points to the cause. Most blue screens are due to bad drivers or faulty RAM. Update your graphics, chipset, and network drivers first. If crashes continue, test your RAM with memtest 86. It's a free download, put it on a USB, and boot from it. Look for our short video on how to install and run memtest 86 in your PC. If errors appear, test each RAM stick individually to find the bad one. If all sticks pass, try different motherboard slots to rule out a bad slot. This process of elimination is key to solving random crashes. Stay calm, follow the clues, and you'll find the offender. Let's keep moving. Your PC can be saved. Is your PC slow to boot or laggy? It's usually fixable. Open Task Manager by pressing the Control key, Shift, and Escape, then go to Startup tab and disable unnecessary programs. Fewer startup apps mean faster boot times, and more time of productivity. Next, free up space, run disk cleanup from the Start menu, and delete junk files. Click Clean up system files for a deeper clean. Still slow? Upgrading from a hard drive to an SSD is the best performance boost. Boot times drop from minutes to seconds. SSDs are affordable and easy to install with free cloning software. These steps can make even an old PC feel new. Watch our video on how to install an SSD easily. Don't settle for slow. Most speed issues are easy wins. Now, on to the next fix. No internet? Don't panic. Most network issues are simple to fix. First, restart your computer. If that fails, unplug your modem and router for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Modem first, then router. This power cycle solves most connection problems. Still offline? Open command prompt as admin and type ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew, then ipconfig/flush DNS. These commands reset your network settings and clear out glitches. If you're still stuck, check Device Manager for your network adapter. A yellow exclamation mark means a driver issue. Right-click to update or uninstall the device. Restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Most internet issues are fixed with these steps. If not, check your cables or call your ISP. Don't let a network glitch ruin your day. These fixes work fast. Now let's tackle hardware failures. Stay connected. If your PC powers on but the screen stays black, you may have a hardware issue. Double-check that your monitor is on and the video cable is connected to the right port. Listen for beep codes. Patterns can point to RAM, GPU, or CPU problems. No beeps may mean a power supply or motherboard issue. Try reseating your graphics card and RAM power down, unplug, remove, and firmly reinstall them. This often fixes black screen issues caused by loose connections. If nothing changes, test your power supply with a PSU tester or swap in a known good unit. As a last resort, reset your motherboard's BIOS by removing the coin battery for a few minutes. These steps cover the most common no-display problems. Stay methodical. Hardware issues can be solved with patience. Let's wrap up with some maintenance tips. You did it! Congrats! You've learned to fix and prevent most PC problems. Keep your software and drivers updated. Windows Update and graphics. Drivers especially. Regular updates mean better security and performance. Clean your PC inside and out every few months. Dust causes overheating and slowdowns. Use compressed air to clear fans and heat sinks, holding the fans still as you clean. Be cautious online. Only download from trusted sources and avoid suspicious links. Common sense is your best antivirus. Disable unnecessary startup programs and run disk cleanup regularly. Back up your important files. Accidents happen. With these habits, your PC will run smoothly for years. Troubleshooting gets easier with practice. You're now the master of your machine. Keep that rig running strong. Thanks for sticking with us to the end. If you found these troubleshooting tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Got a stubborn PC problem we didn't cover? Or a tech question you're itching to ask? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing your stories and helping you out. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Whether it's advanced repair guides, performance boosts, or the latest tech hacks, we've got you covered. Want more right now? Check out the links on screen for related tutorials and deep dives. Thanks again for watching, and remember, with the right know-how, every PC problem is just another puzzle waiting to be solved. See you in the next video.